Hi friends! So, this week we created our daily schedule in fractions. We found equivalent fractions for 3 different activities, and we also found out the total amount of time in fractions that we were spending on each of those activities. For my example, I had my daily schedule. I added together all of the time I spent eating, and I ended up spending 4/24 of my day eating altogether. And then I generated some equivalent fractions for that. I used area models and multiplication to show my work. And I found that 4/24 was equivalent to 2/12 or 1/6 or 8/48. Today, we're going to compare. I want to see how much time you're spending doing one thing versus another. So pick 2 activities. 2 activities that you do not spend the same amount of time on, and compare them. For me, I chose to compare the amount of time I spent working with the amount of time I spent eating. So I spend 5/24 of my day working and 4/24 of my day eating. 5/24 is greater than 4/24 because taking up 5 parts of 24 is taking up more than if I just took up 4 parts of 24. Now, I asked you to show your work using an area model, and that is what I would like. However, as a challenge, I would love to see you show your work using number lines. I would also love for you to try using some of your equivalent fractions. So when I wrote that 5/24 was greater than 4/24, I also thought, well, I know that 4/24 is equivalent to 1/6. So I know that 5/24 is greater than 1/6. And then I showed my thinking using a number line. Now, if I were doing an area model, I would simply take something like these area models, and let's see. Well, I'm not going to be doing 12ths anymore. I'm going to think about 6ths. I have a dog's head on my lap right now, if you want to take a look. This is Olga. She's very cute. So, we were comparing 5/24 with 1/6. So, here's my 5/24 right here, and here's my 1/6, and I can see pretty easily that 5/24 is just a tiny bit bigger than 1/6. But my number line helps me see that even more clearly. And I know it's a bonus, but I would love to see you try to do the number line, because we were all still working at kind of understanding how different fractions looked on a number line. So pick 2 activities. How much time do you spend eating versus sleeping? How much time do you spend playing games versus being active? How much time do you spend helping out your parents? So, please take a look, do your best. I'm really looking forward to seeing your work. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.